Set includes 1. Shampoo, 1. Conditioner, 1. Deep Repair Masque, 1. Hair Serum. Treat your hair to the benefits of pure coconut extract. Brought to you by Hair Chemist, the trusted leader in hair care products. Treat dry hair with the benefits of Coconut Oil Revitalizing Shampoo. The natural nutrients in coconut oil help provide maximum moisture to dry or damaged hair, while pure coconut extract cleanses and strengthens your hair for a dramatically shinier, healthier look. Coconut Oil Revitalizing Conditioner nourishes the scalp and provides hair with essential proteins needed for revitalizing damaged hair. This penetrating formula gives hair silky manageability and provides each strand of hair with incredible shine. Coconut Oil Hair Serum nourishes the scalp and promotes healthy hair roots and follicles. The natural nutrients in coconut oil help prevent the breakage of hair and keep your scalp and hair root healthy. Your hair will feel revitalized. Blow dryers, products, and weather take a toll on your hair. Coconut Oil Deep Repair Masque is an intense conditioner and helps repair and regrow damaged hair. Coconut oil can help prevent untimely whitening of hair and keeps your scalp and hair root healthy, resulting in revitalized hair. Go ahead and bring back the health to your hair, you deserve it. Guaranteed satisfaction or your money back. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.